Record?
Oh, okay, go ahead, because I wasn't doing that earlier.
She didn't record anything for you. That's hard to send it to the World Wide Web. Well, yes it is. Are you a good girl? Yes. Are you just hanging out here naked, baby? Yeah. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Hi, Smiles. Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. Yes, happy Valentine's Day. You know it's your birthday, too? Or your 3-month birthday? 3 months old. Yes, you're such a big girl. Yes, you are. Mwah. Mwah. Hi. Hello, sweetie. Hi. Yes, you are. Oh, you're such a little flirty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hi. Yes, you are. You're a flirty little girl, aren't you? Do you like hanging out on the changing table in the morning? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You're a good little girl. Alright, Eva. Say goodbye to everyone. Say goodbye.
Happy Valentine's Day!